Hi everyone, and welcome to part 2 of our Techy Tea Breaks, looking at the Do Not Disturb feature on mobile devices. So today we are looking at the feature on an Android device. So just a recap on the feature itself, when you have Do Not Disturb turned on, it will block any notifications or calls to your device. So it's really handy if you are reading an e-book or listening to an e-audiobook and you don't want to be disturbed by anyone sending you messages or calling your device if you're on your mobile phone. So you can turn that on and it means you won't be interrupted. So to turn that on an Android device, you have to go into settings and then you need to locate the option for it. So depending on your version of Android, it might look slightly different from the one I have here. If you are struggling to find it, you can go up to the top of your settings there and click in the search box and type in what you're looking for. And on this device, it is under sound, so you'll see I've got there sound, do not disturb, ringtone, etc. So we'll click on that one and we'll go into do not disturb here. This is where you turn it on, so if you toggle this switch on, do not disturb is activated, and you'll see just at the top right hand side there's now a crescent moon, and that shows you that the feature is turned on. And you can also change some other details here with the feature, so you can enable it to come on at certain times. So if you don't want to be disturbed after say 10 o'clock at night or between 10 o'clock and 7 the next day, you can turn that on just by toggling that switch there. If you have an event in your calendar, you can turn it on when that event is happening. And there are some other more advanced settings as well, so you can specify which things will go through the do not disturb feature and will actually come through to the device, so a notification or a phone call that will come through when it's on. So you can allow priority interruptions, you can allow it for alarms only, or you can have it set up to not be interrupted at all, so you won't be interrupted by anyone. So if you have it set up for priority interruptions, you can then go in and define these, and there are some more options there for you to adjust. So that is a very quick look at that feature on an Android device. It's a really useful feature and one which we hope you'll find you use. And as always, I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below.